about you?
I'm also fine.
Thank you.
Yes. Now, it is a structured programming class. And I want us to start with some of the things we did in our previous lesson. So, being that it is a learner center, so we want to start with what? You know? Yes? And then we move to what?
I don't know.
Yes, so what is today's date?
21st October.
Yes, so our unit is structured programming. And structured programming. Structured programming. So maybe let us remind ourselves some of the things we did. So in our daily lesson, because we are learning about structured programming, of course, you can't learn something if you don't know the meaning. So every day, the first thing we'll be doing is to define what structured programming is. So let me get someone to define what structured programming is. Yes, let's do that one as fast as possible. Brian?
Yes, madam.
Yes? Anyone to define what structured programming is? Yes. Any definition of structured programming? So let's say structured programming is a method of programming that uses a top-down design and the three basic control structures. So the three basic control structures, we have sequence, selection, and iteration. So those ones will be our objective. So definition of structured programming, this is just what we did the other time. And then what we are going to do is about the control structures. Yes. Now, I want you to take a piece of paper and then just write the type of control structure you know. Take a piece of paper and write the type of control structure that you know. Yes. Let me see what you people have written. Just take a piece of paper and then what you've written. Yes. Let me see. Okay. Those who sit behind, let me see yours. Now, yes, thank you so much. So these are some of the control structures. We have sequence. Yes. Yeah, someone has given us direction. Yes. And which one? Yes. Let me see. So you can't just say that you are only selection. Silvio? Yes, we have selection. Now, so what is sequence? So sequence, these ones are instructions that are executed step by step. These ones, yeah, so sequence, they are instructions that are executed step by step. Yes. Now, up to where we are. Any question? You are okay?
Yes.
Great. So let's move to selection. So the other name of selection we have decision. So
Yes.
now you understand the word definition. I mean decision. Let me get someone now to define what selection as a type of control structure is. Yes, selection. Yeah, just from the word definition. So selection allows the program to choose between two or more paths based on the condition. So let's say if the condition is true, maybe there is the output, or if the condition is false, it terminates. Yes. The other one we have iteration. And iteration allows a set of instructions to be repeated until A condition is what? Yes, until condition is met. Good. Yeah, I want you to be active like that. Now, let's see the syntax. So, under sequential iteration and selection, we are only going to do one under iteration. And then under iteration, I want us to iteration. So, maybe the way you are, so in two, you just with your friend, the next friend, I want you to give me an example of iteration. Yes? Share with your friend. Examples of iteration. Yes, that one should take you not less than 2 minutes. Yes. Yeah, so we have if statement. Which one else?
If else.
If else. Yes.
Else if.
Else if. Yes, so these are some of the examples of. See? No. Yes. So we have if statement. So these are some of the things you are supposed to know. So we have, you are supposed to know the syntax. You are supposed to know the syntax. You know the pseudocode. Code and flow chart. Sasa?
Yes.
Yes. So you are supposed to know the syntax, pseudocode and flow chart. Yes. So let's look example of maybe the syntax of if statement. Yes. Syntax of if statement. Now in if statement we say if, so if condition. Yes. If condition, then we have statement, then we close.
Yes.
So this is an example of if statement. Now, what about the syntax of if else? Clear? So we say if condition, yes, you open and then statement. Yes. Then we have. Do we close? No. Yes. So if condition statement else. Then else we are supposed to have condition, right?
Yes.
And then we close. Sasa.
Yes.
Now, this is the assignment. We've only mentioned the syntax. And I said in each, the three directions, that is if else, and else if. The following things you are supposed to know, that is syntax. Again, you are supposed to know the pseudocode and flow chart. Now, our assignment will be you in each iteration give the syntax, the pseudocode, and the flow chart. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes, so I don't want you people to do it in group. It will be individual assignment. And that will help me to know your capabilities. Now, so this is the assignment that you people will do. Anyone having a question after that? Yes? There is no question. So if there is no question, I beg to stop at this point. And let's meet next time. Have a good day.